Resort request can be generated against resort to get confirmation from resort regarding reservations. This can be sent to resort either by fax or through mail. Resort request can be loaded from booking menu. Click resort request button, load resort request interface. Here the reports like request, amendment, cancellation and special request can be generated to resorts. User can either select a resort or resort agent name from this combo. Select either a reservation number, or user can provide the arrival date in the fields to list the reservations. Provide a reservation number here and press enter key. The reservation number is listed in this field. If the company needs to enter any additional details regarding the reservation to the resort, provide it here. If the tour operator name needs to be listed in report, then check this show tour operator option. If the request status of the company needs to be shown in report, select this show request status option. Select the reservation number and click print to load resort request. It is a booking request that is to be sent to the resort. Here the resort name, the contact person associated with the resort, and the reservation details are listed. This is to confirm the booking. This is to get confirmation regarding booking from the resort. If the reservation is to be amended, then select this amendment option. Select the reservation and click print button. Then it will become a booking amendment, and the message will be please amend and confirm the following reservations. If any changes are provided, then select the booking under amendment option. This is for cancellation. Select cancellation, select reservation and click print button. It is to cancel the booking. Now the caption will be booking cancellation, and the message will be please cancel the following reservations. Reservation details will be listed here. If it is a special request to resort, then select the special request option, select the reservation and click print button. The caption will be special request, and the message will be please provide the following services. Reservation details will be listed here. User can send mail to the resort by the send mail button. The send mail button is clicked. The report will be with email facility. Here the from field, the email ID of the company will be listed in the to field. The resort email ID will be listed, and this is CC text box. Here user can provide the email ID to which the copy needs to be addressed, and click the send button to send the resort request mail. This resort request can be loaded from reservation interface itself. User needs to right click the reservation and select this resort request menu from the confirm request option. With this resort request, user can load the resort request report and send it to the resort. User can also send mail from here itself by this email resort request option. User is having an additional facility to send the resort request by mail at the time of saving the booking itself. For that facility, user needs to enable the option automatic email option in settings interface. Here, user can select the send resort request by mail option and click OK button. So when that option is enabled, at the time of saving the reservation itself, user will be prompted to send resort request. Do you want to send resort request? Message will be displayed at the time of saving booking. User can click yes to proceed. The resort request report will be loaded with email facility. Here the company address is displayed. Here the email ID of the resort is displayed. User can provide the email ID in the CC fields and click send button to send resort request by mail.